Welcome back to my channel, guys. If you are new, hello, my name is BlancaEstelaBeauty, and if you're not, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be unbagging my May Yes or Yes bag. So, it is currently 11:40 at night, so I'm a little tired, but I did want to film my videos tonight. So, if I seem a little bit out of it, it's because I'm tired, but don't worry, we'll get through this. So, we're going to be unbagging this. As you guys know, if you're not new, I do have a discount link with them. You get 10% off your first box only. It's always a link down below in my description boxes of all my videos. So if you guys want it anytime, you can go ahead and just click on the description box and it'll be right there. So as I always do, I always unbag everything and then I'll show you guys what it is. And yeah, so this month for May 2019, the theme was Cinco de Mayo, obviously because of May. And this month's savings was 79% off a retail price. So that is really, really cool. They used to tell you how much the retail price was for every product that they would send you, but they don't do it anymore. If I can find the prices online, I will put them on the screen as I'm talking about it. So if you guys don't know, Yes or Yes is a monthly subscription for $14.99 a month plus shipping and handling, and you get 5 to 7 full-size products a month. So for me, that is a really, really good deal. So first thing I'm gonna talk to you guys about that came in the bag is by BlancaEstelaBeauty, and this is their Detox Diva sheet mask. This one exfoliates and detoxifies. It has green tea, lemon, and cactus. Wow, it's a hydrating sheet mask, and it's for all skin types, and it is cruelty free. So this is what it looks like. I love getting sheet masks because I like trying new ones, because I use the same ones and I'm just like, I need a new one. So I always appreciate I get sheet masks. So the next thing is a lip gloss. Yeah, a holographic lip gloss by Appeal. I've never heard of this brand before, but this looks really, really cool. That's the lip gloss right there. Really, really cool. It is a clear lip gloss with holographic effect. You guys can see it right there. Really, really pretty. Doesn't smell like anything. Then the next thing is a highlighter by Laritzi Cosmetics. I think that's how you pronounce it. Right there. And I think it's a highlighter. I'm not sure. And this is in the shade Halo. It just says Dew Pot. Yeah, it's a highlighter, you guys. So this is what the packaging looks like. Really, really nice. And then this is the highlighter. Whoa. That looks really, really pretty. It's going to go ahead and... Wow, that is pigmented. Wow, look at that. It is really, really, really pretty. It is really wet, so... Oh, but when you blend it out, it does blend down into like a powder. So I think you use it over your powder, but don't quote me on that. You probably can't. That is really pretty. I'm excited to use this. You can also use this as a eyeshadow. And then the next thing is by BlancaEstelaBeauty, and this is a lip product. But it's a lip liner. So this is what the packaging looks like. And this is in the... It's a lip definer in the shade Tease. Go ahead and take it out. Whoa, that is long. Really pretty. That is a really pretty shade. So this is the lip liner right here. That is a huge lip liner, you guys. And then that's the shade right there. And then that's the little swatch. That is really pretty. I actually like this pink. It's really cute. Okay, moving on to the last thing. The thing that I like about Yes or Yes is that they always send you a palette, whether it be an eyeshadow palette or a face palette, but it's always a palette. And this month we got one by Beauty Creations. This is their Seduce Me palette. So that's the packaging. And then the back you get a little preview of the eyeshadows and then a description. And this is cruelty free. Without outside of the box it looks the same packaging. And wow, this is so pretty, you guys. Look at the palette. Let me get a little bit closer. And then it comes with the mirror, of course. This is really cute. I like how it's purple themed because I love purple. It's my favorite color. So I'm actually excited to use this palette. That is it for this video. I love filming these videos because they are so short and sweet. I love showing you guys what I got because it can encourage you guys to also get yesterday's. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, bye guys.